Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for Agile Retrospectives. First off, you'll want to set up a new board to track your retrospective. Simply click on New, then Board, and title it something like Agile Retrospective. This step is important because it ensures all your team's ideas and feedback are organized in one easy-to-find place. Now that we've done that, let's create groups for each of the three main retrospective categories: what went well, what could be improved, and actions for next sprint. Click New, then Group, and name each one accordingly. These categories help your team reflect on past performance and plan for future improvement. Next up, under each group, add individual items. These are specific points your team will discuss. Click on Add Item beneath the relevant group and type in your point. The reason we do this is to clearly outline each topic of discussion, preventing any important issues from being overlooked. Once you have your items, it's time to add columns for owner and status. Click Add Column, choose People for owner, and Status for status. Assigning an owner ensures accountability for each action point, while the status column allows your team to easily track progress. Now let me explain why this matters. Having a visual representation of your retrospective process encourages transparency and facilitates better communication within your team. It allows everyone to see what's working, what's not, and what steps are being taken to improve. The final step is to use Monday.com's automation feature. Click on Automation at the top of the board, select a recipe like When Status Changes to Done, Notify Owner, and set it up. This helps us because it automates follow-up and ensures that completed tasks are recognized and uncompleted tasks are not forgotten. So there you have it. You've just learned how to use Monday.com for Agile Retrospectives. By following these steps, you can effectively facilitate retrospectives, fostering a culture of continuous improvement within your team. Remember, the key to a successful retrospective is transparency, communication, and action. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Now go out there and make your Agile retrospectives more productive